Hello, my name is David Woods, and I'm from the United States. I completed my undergraduate degree in psychology at Harvard University, where I developed a strong interest in how people think, learn, and work together. Over the past 3 years, I've been tutoring university students across multiple platforms, helping them not only with course material, but also with study strategies and exam preparation. I graduated in 2021, and I'm now pursuing a master's degree in organizational psychology at Stanford University, focusing on workplace behavior and leadership development. Teaching has always been something I enjoy because I've discovered I have a natural ability to simplify complex ideas. Watching a student go from confusion to clarity is one of the most rewarding experiences for me. Over time, this has grown from a skill into a genuine passion. If you're struggling with difficult concepts in psychology or organizational behavior, I'd be glad to guide you through them step by step. Thank you for taking the time to get to know me. I'd love the opportunity to work with you, and I look forward to helping you succeed. See you in class soon.